Create stunning design animation with Canva. With match and move, transition, rotate your phone for better experience. Our animation will be: open the Canva app. In the video category, pick the size suitable for Facebook videos. Select a blank document here. Of course, feel free to select any size you prefer. Canva's Match and Move feature lets you animate identical elements across pages. It makes your designs more interesting. It is like keyframes in other apps and softwares. Use the plus button to access backgrounds, then select either the concrete or wall background. Go to Frames and search for the square with rounded corners. Increase the size of the frame and ensure it is centered. Through a direct Google search, I looked for a lake image on the Pixabay website. Import the image into Canva and place it within the frame. With Canva's color picker, I extracted these colors from the image. We'll apply these colors to create a gradient effect on our frame outline. Choose the frame and modify the color of the outline. Speeding up the process. Here, we have the option to choose the gradient type. Adding text will be done using Canva's pre-designed font combinations. Change the text. To enhance the visibility of the text, I'll adjust the brightness of the image, adding a black shadow to the text as well. Adjust the text's placement and crop the image to enhance its appearance. Duplicate the frame and remove the image within the frame. I'm modifying its color to match the gradient colors we used earlier. Tap again to select the gradient style, opting for lighter hues in this gradient. We'll apply the same gradient to the frame outline. Position it above another frame. Add text and align it to the center of the frame. I also adjusted its color to match the colors in the document. Choose the frame and text, and then group them. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process. This is just for demonstration purposes. Once the page is duplicated and the transition is applied, trying to move this grouped element beyond the page won't produce the desired outcome, so we'll use a little trick. Duplicate this grouped element. I'm using copy-paste as Canva may not always show the duplicate option. Reduce the transparency of both the frame and text to 0. As you can see, our transparent element is here. Place this element here on the page. Select both elements and group them. At this point, duplicate the page. Tap on this plus icon to add transition. Choose Match and Move Transition. Let's adjust the transition timing to 2.4 seconds for an extra smooth animation. Feel free to set it to your preference. Go to the second page and move our element outside the page. The transparent element ensures that our other element doesn't disappear because it's still present on the page. You can also customize the timing for each page. In my case, the duration for each clip or page is set to 3.8 seconds. Observe how amazing the result is. Super tip just for you. Download the video and re-upload it to Canva as a new video to set the start and end timings. Doing this in our previous design won't provide accurate timings for our match and move transition. If you prefer, you can also use any video editing app of your choice. Personally, I often use InShot. Explore pro-level animations using match and move transitions in this next video. Join me for a deeper dive into advanced techniques. See you there.